I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting devices and credentials ready. Plug in your Alexa device and wait for the setup indicator. If it does not appear, press the device action button. On your phone, open the Alexa app and sign into your Amazon account so permissions are already granted. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use or ready to connect to the device's temporary hotspot. Once done, the app will detect a new device and guide the network selection step. Now you link Alexa to your network. In the app, tap Add Device, pick your Echo model, and follow the on-screen prompts to enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. The device will attempt to join and you should hear a confirmation tone or see a steady ring color. If the app cannot discover the device, switch your phone's Wi-Fi to the Alexa hotspot temporarily, complete the pairing, then return your phone to the home network. Make sure your router isn't blocking new clients. Finish setup by confirming language, location, and optional voice training or skills so Alexa adapts to you. Once completed, test with a simple command like Alexa, what's the weather? To verify connectivity, microphone function, and speaker volume. If you encounter issues, try quick fixes. Reboot the Echo, restart your router, and ensure the Alexa app has location and network permissions. If none of that helps, factory reset the device as a final step. Then repeat the setup sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.